Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including National Aluminium, Sun TV, Polyplex Corporation, Kaveri Seeds, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Multi-Base India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 328. Company announced a dividend of rupees 53, that is 530% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 27th November 2024. Dynamatic Technologies Limited. Dynamatech. Share is trading around rupees 7024. Dynamatic Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 2 per each share. 22nd November is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Bayer Crop Sciences Limited. Bayer Crop. Current market price rupees 5,893. Bayer Crop Science announced a dividend of rupees 90 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Banco Products India Limited. Banco India. Current market price rupees 839. Banco Products announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Banco Products, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Banco Products. National Aluminium Company Limited. Current market price rupees 220. National Aluminium announced a dividend of rupees 4, that is 80% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Sun TV Network Limited. Sun TV. Share is trading around rupees 731. Sun TV Network announced a dividend of rupees 5, that is 100% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Kaveri Seed Company Limited. KSCL. Share is trading around rupees 860. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Payment date for the dividend is before 10th December 2024. Ingersoll Rand India Limited. Ingerrand. Share is trading around rupees 4,102. Ingersoll Rand announced a dividend of rupees 55 per each share. 27th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Polyplex Corporation Limited. Polyplex. Current market price rupees 1,195. Company announced a dividend of rupees 9 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Khazanji Jewellers Limited. Share is trading around rupees 602. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd November 2024. GPT Infra Projects Limited. GPT Infra. Share is trading around rupees 119. GPT Infra Projects announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. 25th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Ganesha Ecosphere Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,338. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 23rd November 2024. Jai Balaji Industries Limited. Jai Balaji. Share is trading around rupees 941. Jai Balaji Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Jai Balaji Industries, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Jai Balaji Industries. Natco Pharma Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1,377. Natco Pharma announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per each share. 25th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Elpro International Limited. Share is trading around rupees 108. Elpro International announced a dividend of 70 paise per each share. 26th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Morganite Crucible India Limited. Current market price rupees 1,739. Company announced a dividend of rupees 30 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Upcoming IPO. Lamosaic India Limited. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price rupees 200 per share. Lot size 600 shares. IPO opens on 21st November and closes on 26th November 2024. Base of allotment 27th November, initiation of funds 28th November, credit of shares to demat account 28th November. Listing date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 100% and shareholding post-issue 70.40%. La Mosaic India Limited. Founded in January 2020, La Mosaic India Limited trades various products including flush doors, decorative laminates, acrylic sheets, printing paper, and plywood. In September 2023, the company expanded its operations into manufacturing by setting up a workshop in Chembur, Mumbai, covering an area of approximately 650 square feet. The range of products sold under the brand name La Mosaic is summarized as under flush doors, decorative laminates, acrylic sheets, printing paper, plywood. The company offers customized solutions for its customers, including the design of laminates and acrylic sheets. Additionally, the company manufactures and supplies laminated and decorative flush doors based on customer orders. The company's business operations, including trading and manufacturing, are currently conducted within Maharashtra. In addition to selling products directly into the market, the company also distributes through a franchisee located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is the balance sheet of La Mosaic India Limited for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.